Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, please, we can hear you.
Okay, so I share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So hi and welcome to the third day's training session on Google Earth Engine platform. So I am course coordinator. So basically today is our third day, and third day course content will be that first of all I will try to discuss about the computation using satellite images. So mainly in this time here I discuss about the calculating the different types of raster calculation or band calculation. So how you can easily make the different types of band calculation using this platform. Suppose calculating the different types of indices such as NDVI, NDWI or other indices, how you can easily do using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, then also discuss about the introduction to Landcover classification map, then make the Landcover classification map in Google Earth Engine. Okay, we also talk about the details in here, then how to make export the map as a TIFF format. Okay, then we move to the air quality monitoring. So mainly we can use here the Sentinel-5 cellular imagery for making this, and then we will move to the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery. Okay, so mainly in here I also try to show you that how you can easily filtering and displaying the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, as well as also calculated the NDWI. Okay, so let's just start. So first of all, introduction to Landcover classification. So Landcover classification is defined as the observe the biophysical cover of the Earth's surface. So mainly we can use the Landcover classification and we can get the data for make the document of the land use trend and changes we can easily do for over a period of time. Okay, so now we already know about the Landcover classification map and what we can do, but what's the process to make the Landcover classification map using the Google Earth Engine platform? Okay, and this process is the same for all of the satellite imagery or all of the Landsat or Sentinel. Every image you can follow the same process. Okay, so first of all I will discuss about the step by step so that you can easily understand everything. Okay, so first of all selecting your ROI. Suppose you want to make the Landcover classification map for Dhaka city or whole country boundary of Bangladesh or other region. First of all you need to select your ROI. Okay, we already covered this part because you already know about that how you can easily import your raster or vector data in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so select first step is that you need to selecting your ROI. Second step, you need to choosing and filtering your image collection, which image you want to use for making the Landcover classification map. It can be Landsat or Sentinel. Okay, so you choose and filter, and we already covered the Landsat part. So how you can easily filter the Landsat satellite imagery for a specific period of time as well as a specific region. Okay, so how you can easily do this, we already covered this part. Then third step is that you need to collect the training point. Suppose you can see we need to collect the every individual feature training point. Suppose you can get the training point for a water body, you can get the some training point for the urban or build up area, you can get the training point for the vegetation, you can also get the some training point for the bare land or other features which you need. You can just simply take the training point. Okay, after taking this training point you need to merge all of the training point together. You need to merging the training point, all of the training point we merge. Okay, then we need to make the training data set. Okay, so when you after merging our training point, we need to make the training data set by simple regions. Okay, so in this time we want to collect from the pixel value. So we need to collect the some pixel value, suppose red band, green band, shortwave infrared band, or other band which band I want to use for my prediction. Okay, prediction band which band I want to use. In this time I want to make their and get their pixel value, and using their pixel value I make a training data set. Okay, and then we need to run the training data set. Okay, so when you want to train this data set, you need to use here the classifier. So in the Google Earth Engine platform we use the different types of classifier for the random forest, minimum distance, then classification and regression, then support vector machine, and lot of classifier will be available in here. So we need to create the classifier and classify the image. Okay, then you need to create the classified image. Okay, then display the result, and after this you also calculated the specific area for each classes, how many urban or how many built up area or how many water body will be available in your area. And you can also, I also try to show you the in part accuracy assessment of this land cover classification map. What's the accuracy of your map? Okay, we also covered this part in here. Okay, so mainly this is the process when you want to make the land cover classification map using the Google Earth Engine platform. You follow all of the process step by step. Okay, so here you can see this is the small project of map LULC. So you can easily access this code from this link. So this is the another map for the Dhaka city land cover classification map. Also you can see this is the area of this every individual feature, and we also make the chart for showing the area in hectare unit. Okay, so let's go. We will follow the step by step so that you can easily understand. Okay, so I open a new code editor. So I simply open a new code editor in here. So in this time here network connection is not so good, because in here there is the lot of rainfall, outside the lot of rainfall, so that's why in this time the network connection is not so good. Okay, so okay, so our first step is that we need to selecting our ROI. Suppose I want to make the land cover classification map for Dhaka city. So you already covered this part, how you can easily import your shapefile in here. Okay, we already covered this part. So in this time I just import the shapefile in my code editor. So I want to work with the Dhaka city shapefile. So I simply open, this is my Dhaka city shapefile. I want to work with this shapefile. So I simply imported this shapefile in my code editor. So you can see this is our shapefile. Okay, so I simply click to the import, this shapefile will be imported. Okay, and I simply rename this is my ROI. Okay, and then our second step is that filtering and choosing your image collection, which image you want to use for the land cover classification map. In this time I want to make the Landsat 8 top of atmospheric this data set. I simply search here the Landsat 8. So network connections are not good, so I simply click to the browse data catalog, and I just